So how can IT industry stay updated on such things in the face of automation and globalization?
Yeah, so everybody at this point of time, I think mostly the freshers in the industry has a thought that okay, IT is just going to fade off because automation is coming into place, and then we are all like IT engineers. We're all from college, coming out of college. What are we really going to do? But then what I personally feel is like, as I told earlier, C, C++, Java, all of those things might just fade off. But then the newer technologies is going to emerge where that is going to connect with the environment is going to come up, especially as I said, cybersecurity, IoT, blockchain. These are all the emerging technologies. So if the students are able to study these things right in their college, I think that is going to give them a way ahead.
Yeah, there is a lot of fear around, all these new
Correct, correct,
technologies that are coming up. AI, many
correct, correct.
jobs would be taken over by AI. And in fact, current situation is also a little bit of that type, wherein even IIT graduates are facing, to a certain extent.
Correct, correct. Yeah, recently, that article had come in Economic Times. So what I have noticed is from 2020, 21 onwards, I think a couple of colleges in Bangalore, I've seen like 2 or 3 colleges, they have started giving specializations in IoT, cybersecurity, AI, ML. So these are something initially, I think everything was like computer science. Either you have computer science, you have civil engineering, you have mechanical engineering, and all of those. So that is how it was. So computer science was the only stream in IT which used to be there, I think, till 2021. But after that, last 4 years, I see that these courses have also, or these specializations also are there, which has actually helped, I think, the Indian IT, the students also to come. And more than that, what I also see is like, soft skills advancements also has come in place. So if the kids are able to understand all of those things, the machine and the automotive things together would be able to do. So the problem solving and stuffs like that. So those are the emerging things. The communication skill plays a lot of role. So it is not that some things would, of course, would fade off, but then the other things would come up. So that is evolution, right? So we grow and we become mature.
Yeah, in fact, in training also, I can share my experience. Initially, when online training was new during pandemic, this was a fear amongst trainers, training fraternity, that online training or courses, recorded courses, these things would be the major stuff in the market, and the training profession, classroom training or live trainings, these things would fade off, and the jobs of trainers would get reduced, less assignments would be there. But eventually, in just about 3 years or so, we can see that it is not that the trainers jobs have been taken over, but now both these things work together.
Yeah, have merged together. It has been
They have
evolved. I
merged,
think,
yes.
yeah, the digitalization has helped it a lot. A lot
Yes.
of platforms have come up. So I think in a way it has helped, and especially after pandemic, yeah, things have changed a lot. So
Yeah.
understanding, especially on blockchain and all that, I'm sure these are the emerging technologies, right? So this will help us, and especially on the data science, because data is power. You get a lot of data visualization tools and stuffs like that. So with that, we can make beautiful presentations and stuffs like that, inputs.
Correct.
Especially
Correct.
from the training side.
Correct. Yeah. So looks like those who adapt faster
Correct. Yeah.
get benefited.